Have you ever wondered why, despite everything, we stick to the ground? Not metaphorically, I mean literally. Like, why don't we just drift off into the cosmos? What's really keeping us tethered to this pale blue dot, spiraling around the sun like an overexcited toddler in a supermarket? Today we're talking about gravity, Earth's clingy ex that won't let us go. But by the end of this video, you might start seeing gravity as more than just an invisible force. Spoiler alert, it's way weirder than you think. In today's video, we're going to unravel the mystery of gravity. You know, that thing you blame when you drop your phone but forget about when you jump off a diving board. But here's the kicker. Gravity isn't just a force, it's a whole different ballgame. And the answer to what it really is might just make your brain twist into knots. Ready to feel like you're living in a sci-fi novel? Buckle up. Okay, so here's the basic story we've all been told. Gravity pulls us down, simple. Apple falls from tree, hits Newton on the head, bam, gravity. But what if I told you that gravity isn't even really a pull? In fact, nothing is pulling you down at all. Things are falling because the very fabric of space-time itself is curving around massive objects. Yes, you heard that right. Space is bending. Sounds like we've already gone off the deep end, but trust me, this rabbit hole goes deeper. You might be thinking, hold on, space is bending, how can space, which, you know, isn't a thing, bend? And also, if space is bending, how come everything doesn't look all wobbly? Fair questions. Let me put it like this. Imagine space-time is a mattress, and everything with mass is a bowling ball. You place the ball on the mattress and it sinks. Now, if you roll a marble near that ball, it'll spiral towards the heavier object because the mattress is warped around it. That is basically gravity in action. Your life is happening on a big cosmic mattress. And that's not even the craziest part. You've probably heard of Einstein, the guy with the hair and the brain the size of Jupiter. Well, he came up with the idea that massive objects like planets, stars and galaxies bend space-time, which is what we experience as gravity. But there's more. This bending doesn't just happen in one spot. It stretches across vast distances. So Earth isn't just pulling on you, it's also pulling on the moon. And the moon is pulling on you too. It's like we're all stuck in some universal, invisible tug-of-war. Remember earlier when we said gravity isn't really pulling you? Well, think about this. When you throw something in the air, it's not the Earth pulling it back down, it's actually following the curved path of space-time that Earth has created. You're not being yanked to the ground. You're just sliding down the slope of space-time like an unsuspecting traveler down a hill. So now you know the secret to gravity isn't in some mysterious pulling force. It's in the very structure of space-time itself, bending and warping around everything that has mass. From apples falling to black holes devouring entire stars, gravity is really just the universe's way of telling you where you can and can't go. It's space's way of playing a cosmic trick on us, making everything feel like it's sticking together, when, in reality, we're all just following curves in a vast, invisible landscape. Thanks for sticking with me through that whirlwind tour of gravity. If your brain isn't floating off into the curvature of space-time right now, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with anyone who thinks gravity is just about apples and falling objects. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-bending videos like this one. Trust me, there's a lot more weirdness out there. See you next time and stay grounded, if you can.